Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account with Paycom. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in paycom.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Paycom website where you will see the login or the request meeting button. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, you will need to click on this request meeting button and then fill up the form. Just go ahead and enter your first and your last name, followed by your role within your company and your phone number. Then type in your email address as a part of your contact information. Then fill up the company details. This includes the name of your company, your zip code, and the number of employees. Then select whether you have international employees or not, and then whether you have used Paycom before. You can then type in any comment that you wish, or you can skip this and simply click on Request Meeting. You can also uncheck the box if you do not wish to receive any email from Paycom within your inbox. After you click on this button, you will be given access to the demo which you can use to sign up for your Paycom account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Paycom. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.